Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redeem your Netflix gift card using a mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser and in the search box at the top type in www.netflix.com/redeem. Make a search and you'll end up in this page over here. It says that you can redeem your gift by entering the code below. Go ahead and enter the code or the PIN number at the back of your gift card for Netflix in the text box that appears on the screen. Once you type in your gift code or PIN, tap on the redeem button and you'll be able to redeem your gift card for Netflix. On the next page, you'll need to log into your account. Make sure to enter the correct credential and you are good to go. That is how you'll be able to redeem your Netflix gift card using your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.